Hello, my name is Aiden Manego. I'm a 12th grade senior, and I'm part of LEADS.
My name is Dayana Hill. I'm in 11th grade, and I'm here with LEADS.
My name is Earl Alexander. I am on the board of directors for Texas City ISD Foundation. I'm also the dual credit advisor for Hitchcock High School. Leadership, Education, and Development Series. It's a program in which we select some of the top students throughout Galveston County to come and learn skills that's going to help them to be successful in life. It's funded through partnership. Charles Doyle, Chuck Doyle with Texas First Bank is a large contributor. We have several refinery partners.
So at LEADS, we get to learn about different types of careers. So the one that I just left was banking and finance.
I really didn't know that they had so many jobs that I could look forward to, especially in business. I was really amazed by how many jobs I could pursue.
And I think the overall topic I got out of most of them is always try and succeed others and be a part of a community that can work together.
It's something about here. I really like it, and I think it's an amazing place. And they talk to me about leadership and what I should do and professionalism, and I really think it's cool.
The fact that they're able to come here and get the leadership and direction to make good choices, solid choices, is the best thing ever.
Well, using LEADS moving forward, I can definitely see me using this in college, just not only as teamwork, but as LEAD stands for, is leadership.
I met so many new people, and I've had connections with people in the past because I went to Lamar, but yes, it's really cool.
So there's an application process, and then they pick the top 200 out of all those 6 schools that's come.
I would encourage other kids to get involved with LEADS. This is really a free program. They really do help out a lot, and it also assists you with anything you may need help with in the future as far as future events and anything that they hold. I think it's really amazing to be surrounded by students and people that care about your education.